morning, greetings, salutations, YouTube. It's Adrian here. Welcome to another episode of the vlog. I'm opening up the doors. The house can breathe, but check it out. Mom made some delicious food for breakfast. That is her heirloom tomatoes that her friend gave her the other day. We have some skinless longanisa. We have garlic fried rice and some eggs. Alright, I set the table. Now it's time to eat. Yay! What's up, guys? So now I'm sitting in the California room with Eliza. He's the last kid left to finish his food. Mom's watering some of the plants over there, and I'm hanging out next to my beautiful ficus Audrey and enjoying a raspberry diet Snapple. So delicious. Guys, you have to see what mom just picked from the garden. What is that? It's a cucumber and then a bunch of tomatoes.
Yes.
Ooh. Oh, my soup looks so good. Yum. What's up, you guys? It is now the next day. The kids are really excited. Why are you excited, Eliza?
Because it's egg roll day.
Egg roll day? What's that?
It's a day where you eat egg roll.
It's egg roll day.
Yeah.
Yeah. I come out for a second and mom is making some crazy stuff here in the kitchen. Look at, she has like flowers. She has all this stuff from the garden. She has all sorts of different meats. Are these gonna be like tiny little pizza creations or something? Wow.
How does my garden grow?
Deliciously.
Rustic.
So you're making me a rustic pizza?
Rustic pizza.
Wow.
Did you see my lasagna?
No.
I made a vegetable lasagna.
A vegetable lasagna because I'm a vegetarian? Let me see. Are these hot?
Yeah, they just got open the
Fresh out of the...
I have to.
Ooh! Okay. Wow! Oh, we're having Italian tonight, you guys. Italian
tonight.
I'm just gonna put the camera here so everyone can see what you're making. So you're gonna use those flowers? Wow.
Maybe. Okay,
I want a flower in mine. Wow. Wow. Okay, I have to pick this up so you guys can see. Mom's making pizza art.
Pizza art.
Oh my gosh, how cute.
How cute
That's a
is
real
that?
flower, you guys. Maybe you have to cut them so they look like leaves, Mom.
No, I'm just gonna put that here. Just like that.
Oh my gosh, how cute is that?
Where's my scissors? I need scissors. Need some flowers, some leaves. Hindi ko nalagyan ng ano.
Oh, how cute. Oh my gosh, that is literally so cute. zoom in camera. Oh my gosh. Do a purple one. Or is this all gonna be all yellow?
Yellow.
Oh, you should use the little pesto things for the leaves. Or are those too big? Oh my gosh, that one is so cute. That's the one I want because it has yellow flowers. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Oh my gosh, let's take a picture. You guys, this is like literally the cutest thing I've ever seen. Oh my gosh, so cute. You guys, look how pretty this one is. I'm dying of cuteness. I love the flowers, they're so cool. You guys, I am having a heart attack because these look so cute and I'm so super excited for them. Oh my gosh, they're so gorgeous. Hey guys, we're gonna put these in the oven. Mom's just gonna put a little bit of pizza seasoning on them to make them super duper extra delicious. And this is just that same recipe that we made before, that we made with you guys. So if you guys want to make your own pizza too, go ahead. Also some olive oil, some EVO. Alright, we're good, Mom?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, here they go into the oven. Adios. Alright, you guys, here is the pizza. They're our flour pizzas. They are so pretty. Ah, gorgeous. Alright, so this one's our pizza margarita that I just cut up. And I have some more pizzas waiting in the oven to be taken out. I have another pizza right here with some gorgeous heirloom tomatoes. Look at that. Alright, here's another pizza over here. Alright, you guys, it's the moment of truth.
Moment of truth for this lasagna.
And,
That looks so good. Look at all the cheese. That's the
the
ricotta
precision of the cutting. You got that, bro? Look at that. Yeah. Whoa, first piece. Wow. Oh, there wasn't a cheese pull.
0 cheese pull.
Didn't I put a lot of cheese on it?
Anticlimactic, but still delicious. Yeah.
Remember?
Here's the vegetable lasagna. Oh, it looks so good. When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie, that's amore. Hey guys, hopping on just to end the video. Today has been a very delicious day. We had a lot of really great food today. That pasta was so good, and the focaccia bread that Mom made was so gorgeous. Those, like, the little edible flowers on there were so fun, and I was just super excited for them. We didn't even, okay, like, honestly, we didn't even eat them because we thought they were so pretty, so we saved them. We're probably gonna, like, eat them for breakfast or something, but we had a lot of pizza left over as well. Mom went crazy, but the kids just love eating pizza, like, for breakfast or for lunch or whatever have you, so all that just went inside the fridge. And then the what is it called, what did she make with the pasta? What kind of pasta? Lasagna. The lasagna was so good. She hasn't made lasagna in so long. She made like 2 types. One was just a regular meat lasagna, and the other one was a vegetarian, and instead of using regular lasagna pasta, she used squash. It was either squash or, pretty sure it was like some sort of squash, so, or zucchini. But very, very good. If you guys want the recipe, just hit her up. It's Hadrian's mom. I'm gonna have her link down below if you guys want to check her out on Instagram. And if you really want the recipe, let her know so that we can film a video, because that was super duper delicious. Like, I highly recommend it. It was so yummy. And then all the pizza dough and all that stuff, everything was from all those recipes are already up online. So if you guys want to check out those past cooking videos with mom and the kids with the recipe for the dough and how to make the pizza and everything, those will also be linked if you guys want to check that out. But yeah, this is just, tomorrow is the start of a new week. I don't know if we have really anything planned that's really too exciting. The weather was pretty warm, and I think it's gonna cool down just a little bit. Like, instead of the mid to high 90s, it's gonna be mid to high 80s. And then in the low 90s again this week, I think. So the weather should be really nice. So we're pretty excited for that. The kids can go outside and play. They've been having a blast, and now that all the stuff is kind of where it's supposed to be in the backyard for the time being. Like I said about the backyard, we'll probably pick back up on the construction once we have all like the new designs finalized and everything. I think we might hear back from our contractor as soon as this week with ideas for like the fireplace and stuff. Like, we told him what we wanted, and he was gonna go find like the prices and like source all that and see where we can source all that stuff and how long it's gonna take to get, because some things are taking a little bit longer to get than others, but hopefully everything that we need shouldn't take too long. So that's exciting. And the stuff for the pergola, we're actually reusing the old pergola and then reusing those pieces to make like whatever new structure that we're gonna build over there, and then they're just gonna get extra pieces if they need anything. Though I think they said that they're not going to. So that's actually really great. We don't have to waste any of the old materials, and we'll get to reuse it. So I really like that. So at least we don't have to waste that stuff. So I think that's very good. What else was I gonna tell you guys? I ordered a couple things. They were both just today too. I ordered a couple things just from today. They should be hopefully arriving this week, so stay tuned for some fun unboxings. One is a bag and one is a home decor piece, and that's what I ordered so far. I have my eyes on a couple more things. I have just been looking through the internet and looking just for things for the house and things to put up in the shop. And again, check out the shop, itsHadrian.com. I have listed a bunch of new things in there, and I think I'm going to be listing some more things today, the day that you see this video, so go check it out. Links are going to be down below in the description box. And let me know if there's anything you guys want to see in the shop so I can like actively look for it online. A lot of people have been like messaging me about like certain things, and I've been picking them, like finding them and sourcing them and putting them up in the shop for them. So let me know if you guys are interested in like specific brands, specific styles, or anything. Let me know. What else was I gonna say? Think that's it. So I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you guys again so much for hanging out today. It was so much fun. I love you guys all immensely, and I'll see you guys tomorrow bright and early at 7 a.m. Bye!